This is how to speed ramp in Final Cut Pro. There are many different uses for speed ramping, and many of them include drone shots or revealing something. In today's tutorial, we are going to be showing the reveal shot of a mountain drone shot here. So the way we are going to be speed ramping is by pressing R for the range tool, or going to this drop down and pressing range selection. We're going to clip like this and slide it all the way to where we want to end the speed ramp. Once we have done that, you can press A or click the drop down to get back to your select, and then come over to this speedometer looking symbol. Press the drop down, and you can either slow it down or we can speed ramp it, which is what we're going to be doing. And we can choose 2 times, 4 times, or 8 times, or 20. But what we're going to be doing is just the 2. And this should create a good transition. After looking it back, we see that the 2 times fast is not very, you can't see it very good. So we're going to make it 4 times and see if that helps. And there we go. It's not as bland, you can see it way better. And that is how to speed ramp in Final Cut Pro. For more tutorial tips videos, make sure to subscribe to Brilliant Media.